Hey, lovies, let's talk about integers. I did include number lines just to give you a visual. If the number lines do not serve you, feel free to ignore them. They are just there as a support for those of you that benefit from it. So as we've been talking about integers, we have had the reminders of same sign sum, different sign difference. So these are different, so I'm going to subtract them. And the difference is 5. Bigger number is bossy, so it's a positive 5. If I wanted to use the number line, I could start at -1 and I can move forward 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're going to notice that we end up at the same spot. All right, different sign difference. 4 minus 2 is 2. Bigger number is bossy, so that 2 is negative. Or start at -4 and add 2. Remember, when we're adding, we're headed to the right on that number line. Different sign difference. 10 minus 8 is 2. Bigger number is bossy, but I could go over here and do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and get to the same space. 0 plus -3. Opposite sign subtract. 3 minus 0 is 3. Keep it negative. If I'm at -3 and I move forward 0, guess what? I'm not going anywhere. I'm staying in the exact same space. 9 minus 7 is 2. Bigger number is bossy, so that 2 is positive. Also, if I'm thinking about headed from the 9 and I'm going negatively, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, where did I go? Where did I go? I lost on my number line. Start at 9. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There we go. Now the maths. Over here, starting at -5, moving forward 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. But this 4 is negative because the bigger number is bossy. Use the number lines if they serve you. If they don't worry about it. Fresh screen, fresh question. We have subtractions. That means we need to use that keep, change, change. So keep, change, change. 8 minus 2 is 6. Bigger numbers, bossy. Over here, keep, change, change. 2 minus 1 is 3. And just to show you, if I'm starting at 8, and I am subtracting 2. 1, 2 brings me down to 6. If I'm starting at 2 and I'm subtracting a -1, which means I'm doing the opposite, I'm going to hop over just one space. Okay? Over here, keep, change, change. I'm at -3. I'm getting more negative. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm at -7. Keep, change, change. 1 plus 4 is 5. Same sign sum. Over here, keep, change, change. Different sign difference. 10 minus 7 is 3. 3 is negative. And then keep, change, change. 0 plus 4 is 4. That 4 is positive. Headed on to page 2. You do not need to solve it. You just need to tell me what kind of answer you would get. So different sign difference, bigger numbers, bossy, it would be positive. Keep, change, change, bigger numbers, bossy, it would be negative. Keep, change, change, bigger numbers, negative, and they're both negative, it's going to stay negative. Over here, bigger number is bossy. Over here, they're the same. They're growing in their negativity. Keep, change, change. The boss says make it positive. Down to page 4, find the sum. If the signs are the same, we add them. So I'm going to stack this. No need for mental math. 65 stays positive because the signs agree. Over here, they're different, so I'm going to find the difference. 82 is positive because the bigger sign is bossy. Over here again, I'm going to subtract different sign difference. I'm going to borrow, and I'm left with 15, and that is a positive 15. Over here, different or same sign sum, so I'm going to add them. I get 84, but keep it negative. Down here, we have different sign difference. Stack them in the way that makes sense to your brain. I have 41, but that 41 is negative because the bigger number is negative. Same sign, sum. That's a 12. That's a 9. Growing in its negativity for negative 92. Questions, comments, concerns, crunchy tacos. Headed downtown. Keep, change, change. We're going to subtract. 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 3 is 6. Keep it positive, bigger number. Keep, whoop, keep, change, change. Same sign. Growing in their negativity. Keep, change, change. Different sign, difference. We're going to borrow, not steal. That 18 is negative because the bigger number is negative. Over here, keep, change, change, and add because they agree. 139, and that 139 is positive. Keep, change, change, disagree. That's okay. Just have to subtract them. This is a 6 and this is a 1 and make it negative. Over here, last one, I think. Yep. Keep, change, change. That is a very confusing negative sign. We're going to go ahead and add them up. They're going to grow in their negativity. 8 is 13 is 14 is 2, negative 243. As always, if you have questions, go ahead and bring them to class.